Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how you can sign up to crypto.com on your laptop and create an account very easily. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started. In today's video, I'm about to simply show you or teach you on how you can sign up to crypto.com on your laptop very easily. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm going to open my browser right over here. In the search box, what you want to do is you want to go to crypto.com right over here and then press on enter. As you load the website, you can see this is how the home interface of the application looks like. So you need to understand that crypto.com is actually a mobile app, so you will not be able to sign up just like this. You can see anywhere right over here we don't have the option to log in or to sign up, but there is a simple trick which you can do to fix this. Is that what you want to do is simply scroll down. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see this option called buy crypto at True Cross, and here you'll be able to see multiple options called trade over here. Now what you want to do is you want to simply tap on any of these buttons. Once you tap on trade, here, what you want to do is you want to tap on go to exchange button right over here. Once you tap on go to exchange, and here as you can see we have been successfully taken to the sign up screen right over here. So this was a simple trick to let us get to the sign up tab on the crypto.com website. Now what we want to do is simply enter our details right over here. Let me enter all of the details. You can also enter your legal details over here right here on this tab. Once you enter your details, you can also enter your nationality and then enter your email address and fill in all of the details accordingly. Make sure you also choose a strong password including at least 8 letters, contains at least one uppercase, lowercase letter, as well as number and one special character. Now if you have a referral code, then you can also enter your referral code. If you don't, then you can simply agree to the terms and conditions and then go ahead and tap on create account at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on create account, you'll have successfully created an account on the crypto.com. In my case, it is not eligible in my country, so I'm not being able to do so. But if it does in your case, then you will obviously see that it has a supported jurisdiction and so on. But in this way, I just showed you how you can really sign up easily on the crypto.com website very easily. So we hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions or queries regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.